Alright lads, it is raining, it is wet, and we got a storm has hit me. Whoa, this storm is pretty fucking cool. I'm released in the shelter, I'm downstairs at the moment. Whoa! Fuck me, that felt close. Jesus Christ, his flashing is very intimidating. Whoa! You probably didn't hear that. Jesus Christ. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh God. Oh God, no, 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 no. These lightning strikes are so risky. Someone... Whoa! Fuck me! You probably heard that. Ah! Fucking hell! Way! Fucking hell, this storm is strong. Anyway, see ya, bye.